Hello guys and welcome to Tech Chicks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to clear the cache in Google Chrome on your phone. First, open Google Chrome on your phone. Locate the Chrome icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. Once Chrome is open, tap on the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner to open the menu. In the menu, scroll right and tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for and tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Delete Browsing Data. Here, you can choose the time range for which you want to clear the cache. Selecting all time will clear everything. Make sure cached images and files is checked, then tap Delete Browsing Data. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache in Google Chrome on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!